Now we move into a field that beautifully combines engineering with healthcare, a discipline where technology meets human well-being, biomedical engineering. To walk us through this fascinating and impactful field, we are pleased to welcome Mr. Malik Jailat, a graduate of the Department of Biomedical Engineering at the University of Marathur. Mr. Jailat has been recognized on the Dean's List for multiple semesters, the first, fourth, sixth, and the seventh semesters, showcasing consistent academic excellence throughout his undergraduate journey. His contribution to the field include innovative projects such as an ECG monitor in semester 3, a digital ruler in semester 4, and a final year project focused on creating a screening tool for cardiovascular disease management in resource-constrained environments, a clear reflection of his passion for impactful real-world problem solving. Professionally, he completed his internship as a biomedical engineering intern at Excel Tech OU, gaining hands-on experience in the field. His leadership roles include serving as the vice president of the Spark branch of the Electronic Club at UOM and as the deputy pillar head of the STEAM pillar at Sasnaka Sansada, where he contributes where he continues to contribute as a volunteer. Mr. Jailath is here today to help us understanding how biomedical engineering is driving the future of healthcare, combining electronics, mechanics, and medical science. Let's warmly welcome Mr. Malik Jailath.
Yeah, thank you, Virun. Good evening, everyone. So, I will do the field fam in the biomedical engineering field. So, I will first share my screen. Yeah. So, I'm going to talk about why you select the biomedical engineering. So, I graduated. I ended my all academic work in this year. uh, in the Department of Electronic and Telecommunications Engineering, specializing biomedical engineering. So I'm currently working as a technical assistant at the ENTC department, and also I'm currently working as an embedded engineer full time at Takshana Technologies. Okay, so first I will give a small intro about biomedical, then I will talk about the curriculum, and after that, the main your main concerns are, I think, academia and industry related opportunities, and also the student life at BM. Yes, so as we don't give an introduction, so BME, what is BME? So we are the people who are applying the engineering principles combined with the biology and medicine to solve problems in healthcare. So, have you heard of the pacemaker? I think you have. So, in the pacemaker, there is a circuit to do all the things. So, we are the people who are building those electrical circuits, and also the coding done in those devices. So first I will talk about the fields in biomedical engineering. So the first one is medical instrumentation, where you are going to design different devices for different medical applications. So next one is biomechanics, where I think you have heard of prosthetic arms and prosthetic legs. So those kind of things are in this biomechanics field. And also medical image processing. So that is mainly related to I think you have heard of ultrasound imaging, MRI imaging, PET scan. So likewise, there are several imaging technologies in the biomedical field. So that is related to this field. Then biomaterials and bioinformatics. So not very deeply discussed in our course materials. And regarding the genetic engineering, we have a genomic signal processing module which we talk about that genetic engineer. So likewise, we have several modules for these fields. So I will talk about them one by one. Yeah, so the main areas of focus at biomedical engineering at UOM are these things. So first one is the biosignal processing. So biosignal processing is mainly you analyze the biosignal of your body or of the human body and do processing to that signal. So biosignal means you can have the ECG of the patient, you can have the PPG of the patient. Likewise, you can have the EEG of the patient, electrical activity of the brain. So likewise, you can observe several signals and you can come to make certain decisions of that patient. So that is biomedical, sorry, biosignal processing. Then we have medical image processing. So as I told before, you have the ultrasound scans, the MRI scans, the PET scans. So all these medical imaging technologies are being like deeply discussed in our course curriculum. And like certain people are going for higher studies regarding this medical image processing field. And also certain people are going for higher studies for this biosignal processing part also. So then comes the medical instrumentation area. So that is mainly focused in the industrial field. So medical instrumentation is where we build certain devices for certain medical needs of the patients. So as we enrolled my final year project, like mainly we developed that device to observe the ECG of the patient and also the heart sounds of the patients and predict whether that patient has any heart abnormalities. So likewise, we can develop certain devices to identify medical issues of patients. So that is under this field called the medical instrumentation. And then we have biomechanics and genomic signal processing. So these two fields are not very deeply touched. You have modules related to these fields, but they are not very deeply covered in the course module. Okay, so next about the curriculum. First, I will go through the pathways and what are the modules you have to do in those pathways. Okay, so regarding medical instrumentation, yeah, so the foundation modules are these three. So engineering design project, I think if you are at ENTC, if you are going to be at ENTC, you have the same module. So biomedical and ENTC people at the beginning, like at the beginning of the semesters, like semester 2, 3, and 4, they have almost the same modules. So after that, they will have several, they have modules related to their fields, related to their pathways. They can choose electives and they can go in that pathway. So in semester 2, you all have the engineering design project. So if you are coming to ENTC, biomedical, you have to do this module. So it is the first module where we get the chance to design something, design some device to do for a real world application. So biomedical people normally build biomedical related devices for this engineering design project. So I think I have some pictures in the next slides. So then we have the biomedical device design module in semester 3. So in that module, it is mainly related to biomedical. So you will first get the chance to get an idea about the FDA approval process of a biomedical device, because unlike other devices, when it comes to biomedical device designing, you have to like be under a lot of regulations, because we have to consider the safety of the patients. So therefore, we have to learn a lot about that FDA approval part. So you have to get approval from Sri Lanka as well as from USA FDA approval. So we are learning about those things. Then we are building a device according to those medical regulations. So that is done in the biomedical device design at in semester 3. So in semester 4 also there is a project, but it is also compulsory for all ENTC and BM all people. So it is not stated here. It is called the engineering device realization or something like that. So in that module also biomedical people build devices related to their field. So in the semester 5, so now it comes like in the semester 5, we have to design certain circuits for biosignal acquisition. So in the electronic instrumentation module, you have to do that. So you have to learn how to acquire biosignals from body, and you have to realize that, and you have to build some device to acquire biosignals from human body. So that is very interesting. Like you can connect all the devices you build to your own body, and yeah, you can check all the biosignals. So you have to like include your own displays, your own microcontrollers and everything. Then you have to acquire the biosignal under the theories you learn in this module, and you can display them in your displays, maybe OLEDs or something. You can display the signals. So it is a very interesting module. And also when it comes to semester 7, you have a little bit advanced modules. So this one is medical electronics and instrumentation. That is also like the semester 5 module. So it is quite advanced because you have to learn more protection techniques for patients. So when you are building these devices, like half of the project is regarding protection for patients. So you have to learn about certain grounding techniques and all those things. So that is also done in semester 7, and you have to build a device in that semester also. So likewise, regarding the medical instrumentation, you can have lots of experience out of these projects. And like some people, they develop these projects, and like they apply for patents sometimes, so they can get the patent for that device. So some have done that also. So likewise, if you come to the this specialization, you can do these things regarding medical instrumentation. So next we have the biosignal processing field. So this field is the analysis and interpretation of biological signals such as ECG or EEG. So ECG is the uh, electrical activity of the heart, and EEG is the electrical activity of the brain. So you can extract meaningful information about the body's physiological state. So uh, so in this module, so first it comes to semester 2. So all of the people, all ENTC and biomedical people have to do this circuit signals and systems module. So it is a really advanced module, and it is where you get the first idea and the first introduction about the signals and those things. So it is a like for me it was a hard module, but lot of things we learned from that module. And also then semester 3 we have signals and systems, and semester 4 digital signal processing. So a lot of biomedical people do this module, digital signal processing, because it is used in further semesters. And in semester 7 you have a very good module called this biosignal processing, where like you get to know like uh, 80% about the biosignal processing part. So all the techniques of biosignal processing you learn here at the semester 7, and this will be helpful in your medical instrumentation, the earlier project also. So yeah, that is about the biosignal processing pathway. Yeah, then you have the medical image processing. So first, we get to know about this in semester 5. So that module is quite it is a vast module. Like you have lots of things to learn in that module. So and also the semester 5 image processing and machine vision module also like that. Like you are in this image processing and machine vision module, you get to do your own project in machine vision and image processing. So that is very helpful. And also advanced modules are medical image processing. Actually, I am not going in this path, so I don't really know much about that medical image processing module. But like out of the 15 people at biomedical, around 5 people have done that module in our batch. So I think it is a good module. And also the biomedical people, I think I disconnected. Can someone confirm whether they can hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. So in this modules, what we do is like there are billions of neurons in our brain. So we get to model these neurons using resistors and capacitors. So we can model our neuron and the brain activity using resistors and capacitors. So likewise, so we know theories about resistors and capacitors. So, but we actually don't know much about our neuron activity. So what we do is first we model the neurons and all the things using resistors and capacitors, and we do like we solve equations and do mathematical things using these resistor capacitor architectures. Then we come to certain theories about the neuron. Something like that happens in this module. So this is a very good module if you are like going for higher studies regarding biomedical. So you can learn a lot from this module. Yeah. And also you have this biomechanics field. So actually the previous module is used for this biomechanics modeling and analysis of physiological systems. And you have this biomechanics module. It is delivered from the mechanical department to the biomedical people also. So I also did this module. This was also a very good module, and you have also you can do the robotics module from which is delivered from ENTC. So like if you go into biomedical, you will always be able to do modules in delivered for ENTC students also. So only few modules will be changed for you. So I will tell that later. Yeah, biomechanics I discussed. So yeah, next one is a genomic signal processing. So regarding the genetic engineering and those things, you have this genomic signal processing in semester 7. Yeah. Yeah, those are the pathways and the additional pathways. So and also these are the supporting modules regarding the biomedical course. So I think in semester 3 and 4, you get to know about the anatomy and physiology for engineers of the human body. And also in the semester 5 and 6, you have this engineer society module. So that is for all the students, both ENTC. That is for like all the faculty. So the faculty of engineering. So all departments have to do this one. And also in the seventh sem, you get to know about the technical and scientific writing for like if you are going to publish any papers during your final year project, this module is very helpful. Yeah. So ENDC versus BME. So what are the main differences? So like uh, electronics part, it's exactly the same. You can do any modules related to electronics and stuff. Only the telecommunication, only few of the telecommunication modules are not given to the biomedical people. So mainly uh, modules related to telecommunications and networking are not delivered to the biomedical people. So because some advanced modules need prerequisites, so you have to do certain modules to do other modules at later semesters. So biomedical people don't get the chance to do those modules, therefore they cannot do the advanced modules in telecom or networking. But like if you are into biomedical and you want to do this, I think you won't be needing telecommunications or networking very much. But the IoT part, I think this is not really the case. IoT, you can do the basic module at ENDC. So our people also did that. And also embedded systems, IC designing, product design, all the other things, robotics and all the other things we can do. So I myself, I'm interested in biosignal acquiring and medical instrumentation stuff. But I now I am working as an embedded engineer, so I am more interested in the embedded field. Uh, so I will next. Next I will show about the projects which we have done throughout the semesters and also the final year projects. So this is our semester 2 engineering design project. So the left hand side project that is I also took part in that project. So me and other three members were involved. So altogether four members. So what we did was we made an automatic IV flow regulator. So can input the time they want to provide the IV liquid to the patient, amount and what time duration you can input all those and you can press the button. So next we use a stepper motor to rotate this so when it's rotating, so it will like flow inside the tube. So that is what is happening in this. This is also uh, one of Main's projects. So it is a wearable migraine therapeutic device for migraine patients. And these are some other projects. So digital spirometer. So spirometer is used for measuring the lung capacity, I think. So you can measure the lung capacity using this device, and the thermometer, I think you all know, to measure the temperature. So and this is our final year project, so don't worry about the photograph. So this device is like 100% made by us. So all the circuits, all the firmware, all the SolidWorks, 3D printing, everything was done by us. So and also the mobile app was developed by us, and also there is a machine learning model to predict using this ECG and heart sound recordings. We predict whether this patient has any cardiac abnormality. So this was mainly developed for small children, for babies, but we were able to test it on uh, children in the age 3 to 10 at Lady Ridgey Hospital. We did all the testings, and yeah, we got a very good results. So we are expecting to publish a paper in this project in the future. This is also one of our batchmates projects. So what they did was they combined EEG, the brain signals, and the ECG for neonatal seizure prediction. So neonatal seizures are like mostly common in newborn babies. So, like predicting them earlier will be like predicting them earlier will save those children. So this project was made for that. And this is a project from the 19th batch. So this is a mathematical modeling of photoplethysmography for cardiovascular disease diagnosis. So this device was also developed by these 19 batch people, and they acquired all the PPG signals to their mobile phone. And also the mathematical modeling part is also done by them. Like they did the modeling of the blood valves. They were able, I think they are currently making their publication paper. So I think they will get their acceptance soon enough. Yeah. So, and this is also a project that combines robotics and biomechanics. Actually, this project is done by Tarusha and the team. So I think you have known Tarusha, the island first on in the 19th A-level batch. So his team made this humanoid robot receptionist. So I think you can see the bio mimicking facial expressions in this humanoid head. So I think you won't believe that there are around 16 motors inside this head. So all the motors are controlled by the algorithm. So I think most of the knowledge come from the robotics and the mechanics modules. Yeah. Okay, so regarding the recent publications, I think there are several publications from the 19th batch and the 18th batch. So you can see here. And the 20th batch publications are ongoing still. So I think we are still writing the papers. So as I know, nobody has submitted until now in the biomedical section. So I think we will submit it very soon. So, and this was internship project, and it was published in this International Symposium on Wearable Computers 2024, and it was accepted. And I think there was an award. This was an award-winning yeah, project. Yeah, so then I think you guys had a lot of questions regarding the internship uh, or the industrial training, and also about the industry and the higher studies, all those things. So I will tell about them now. So you can see a lot of people are in Australia here in the left hand side, and also below also they are also doing did their internships at Melbourne and Sydney. So in the right hand side top corner, you can see interns from Synergen. I think you have heard of Synergen. I will show the website as well. So yeah, so you have asked what are the positions and what are the companies. Regarding the internships, so these are several companies you can apply for, and the first one is the Synergen Technology Labs, and you have Verox Labs, Effective Solutions, Premium International, Zone 24/7, ZBA. CEBI, you can search them online. So IQ Solutions and Excel Tech. So I went to Excel Tech for my intern. So you are hired as a biomedical engineer. So you are hired as biomedical engineer. So in some companies you get to do biosignal processing related stuff. I think from our batch, two people went to Synergen and they got to do biosignal processing related stuff. So in our batch, six people went to interns in Sri Lanka. So two in Synergen, two in IQ Solutions, and two at Excel Tech. So in IQ Solutions, they also did biomedical signal processing and biomedical biosignal filtering, those things. So and they had to do modeling, biomedical modeling part also. At Excel Tech, actually, me and one of my colleague, we had to do medical instrumentation related stuff. So we had to do things about hardware, firmware, and those things. So that was quite interesting. I will show one of my intern reports. You can see what is the work being done in this industrial training. So internships at foreign establishments. So mainly in our so in our batch. So six people went to interns in Sri Lanka, and two people did interns remotely from Sri Lanka. So one guy did his internship in a company in Spain. So he did it remotely, and the other guy also he did his internship. As I remember, Netherlands company. So yeah. So those two did their interns remotely. So then eight people. So the rest of the people, the rest of the seven people, they did their interns in Australia. So Australia, University of Sydney and University of Melbourne and Monash University, Australia. So these three universities were the main universities in our batch. Uh, so also, I think you have the ability to apply all the other universities mentioned here, and also when it comes for foreign internships or higher studies, there is no certain number of universities. For biomedical, there are only 15 universities you can apply for. There is no such thing like that. So you have to find yourself what are the universities that have biomedical, who are the professors, who are the the lecturers doing the biomedical related stuff, and what are their projects. Are they expecting any masters or PhD graduates? So you have to find all these things, and you have to put an email to those lecturers. So that's how you find foreign internships or uh, foreign higher study opportunities. So, but for internships, for biomedical students, we have a certain lecturer at the University of Sydney, Australia. So he expects a certain amount of people from biomedical in every year. So that's how most of the people go to Australia in our biomedical field. So, but if you want to go to other countries for internships, you can also always apply. And also for higher studies, the opportunity is much higher because you have a bachelor's degree, and you can, after you get your after your graduation, you can certainly go for higher studies like masters or PhDs in any university you want, if the lecturer or the professor is expecting you. So you will have certain interviews with the professor or the lecturer online, and if they are happy with you, they will definitely hire you. So that's how it happens. So there is no certain amount of universities, and there is no university that will always hire biomedical students from our department. So there is no such thing like that. Not for only biomedical, for everything, for all the courses. Yeah. Okay, so in the 19th batch, you can see 44% have gone for foreign internships and 56% have gone for local. And in the 20th batch, in our batch, so you can see six people have gone to local industrial training, and the other people have gone for foreign. Two have done their interns remote in these two companies. So yeah, that is about the internship. Oh yeah, in the 21st batch, 67% have gone to foreign and 33%. So there is no such thing as you won't get an internship when you come to biomedical, because in every year everyone gets an internship. It can be foreign or it can be local. You will get a biomedical related internship in Sri Lanka or in other country. Yeah, so this will be the main question, I think. What is the future time? Yeah. What is the future of a BME graduate? So when it comes to industry, as you all know, there is a lack of biomedical engineering opportunities in Sri Lanka. So, as you know, even though there are companies who hires biomedical interns, but for jobs, like we recently we had our careers fair and everything. So for biomedical, in our local industry, there are very few opportunities. That is that I can say for sure. But there are many biomedical engineering opportunities overseas. So the main thing is you have to apply for the right places. So if you apply for the right places because you have a good degree, you can certainly you could be certainly selected. So and also uh, regarding the masters and PhD opportunities, so you can see here in the 18th batch. Yeah, in the 18th batch regarding the PhD opportunities, you can see two people have gone for PhD for now, and the other people have gone for industry related jobs. So related to biomedical, three people, related to software, nine people, related to machine learning, one people. So these are software, machine learning, they are related to biomedical. And also in the 19th batch, you can see the people who have gone for PhDs and research assistants or teaching assistants are higher than the previous year. So in the 20th batch, actually in our batch, I think this will be even higher because like in our batch, only me and one other guy is like into the industrial field, but all others are like going to apply for higher studies, PhDs or masters. And some people are looking for overseas industrial opportunities as well. So yeah, so in Sri Lanka, there is a lack of job opportunities for biomedical people. Yeah, so these are the opportunities for biomedical graduates. So you can do biomedical engineering in a biomedical related company like Synergen or Exceltech. So clinical engineering is the thing when you are designing medical devices, you have to confirm whether it is okay to be used clinically. So at the operation theaters and those things. So that is the field of clinical engineering. And also you can do electronic engineering as well. If you do biomedical, there is no restriction. You can't that you cannot do electronic engineering because what I am doing now is not very related to biomedical. So I am doing embedded. So it is related to electronics. So but I haven't still lost the passion into the biomedical field. So yeah. And also regarding so you can go to the software engineering field as well related to biomedical or the management field, and also you can go to higher studies like masters or PhD. Oh, actually, you can start your own business. So, as you know, in the biomedical field, there are very few companies in Sri Lanka. So, if you have a very good idea during your university time or after that, actually, you can start a good business and you can get foreign investors for your company. That will be a good opportunity because because you are in Sri Lanka. Okay, so these are the like the companies all together. Like these are the companies for ENDC as well as biomedical students as well. So one of the biomedical students in the 19 batch went to WSO2 as well, and some went to Paracom. So likewise, you can like even go to electronic side after your graduation. Then after some time, you can go to higher studies related to biomedical field. Yeah. So then I think some may have the problem whether the biomedical field has the IESL accreditation. So currently the biomedical engineering field does not have the IESL accreditation in University of Moratuwa biomedical course for that course. So what is the story? So I will tell this story. So normally what happens is first the course should be recognized by the IESL. After recognized by IESL, we have to apply for IESL accreditation. So the recognition it has to be always renewed for all the courses. So I will show, yes, in 1 minute I will show this. Yeah. So yeah, this is the list of IESL recognized courses. So IESL recognition and IESL accreditation is two things. So first you have to have the IESL recognition. So you can see here in University of Moratuwa, the Bachelor of Science of Engineering honors degree in biomedical engineering intake batches up to 30 September 2019. So intake up to 2019 have this IESL recognition. So now I asked the lecturers also today, so they told that they have applied. So we have to renew this. So they are applying for the intakes up to 2025 for IESL recognition, and after that they will apply for the IESL accreditation. But why it has been delayed? Why the accreditation has been delayed? Because when you have to get the accreditation, you have to get review from an external party. So like for that also we have made all the things, and I will show that in the slide. So these are the list of accredited courses. So you can see here uh, you have all the courses here at University of Morado related to engineering. So you can see it says from intake year to intake year. So it has to be renewed once in a while. So in the biomedical program is like under the process of acquiring this accreditation. So I think uh, like as the lecturer said, they have applied and they hope they will soon get the accreditation for the biomedical course as well. So I will, yeah, if you want to know about the accreditation and those stuff, you can go to the IESL website and refer this accreditation manual. So it says what are the things they are looking for. And also about the Synergen, I wanted to, yeah, I will tell about that later. So, yeah, so that you have to have an external reviewer to review the course outline and all the labs we have for biomedical, all those things. So one reviewer has come to our department from another country. So he has thoroughly investigated all the things we have, all the resources, all the module outlines, and all the lecturers, and he has given a positive feedback about our program. But the thing is, like there is a delay from the other end, from the IESL end. So therefore, actually, we haven't got the accreditation so far. But we have applied for as the lecturer said, they have applied for it again, and I hopefully we can get that in the near future. And also, what about the effects of employability with this ISL accreditation? So, as I think there is no such effects with this accreditation thing, because as you know, students from biomedical have like gone for internationally very recognized universities like John Hopkins. So John Hopkins is a place where the like the top people in the biomedical field goes, and they do very complex researches. So two people from our biomedical program as are also in that John Hopkins University. So, and also in the industry, I wanted to show you the Synergen's device. That is the first FDA clear device made in Sri Lanka. So from Synergen. So if you look into this, like if you look into the team in the Synergen labs, you can see more than half of the people are from our department, so our biomedical engineering program. So this is the first FDA cleared device made in Sri Lanka. I think you have heard of it, Cardio. So yeah, that is all I wanted to say about that ISL accreditation. So I think if you like to do biomedical and if you have the passion, but if you are thinking about this, you don't need to worry. There is no such thing as like this will affect my future and all the things. There is no such thing. You don't have to worry about that because like we have a proof. Okay, so yeah, that is about that. And this is the external review I told you about, Dr. Neil Bangert. So he's an associate professor of Department of Bioengineering, Imperial College London. So I can send you this review if you want. So it is a very very thorough investigation. It was a very thorough investigation. He has said some things to improve in our department as well, but most of them are positive. Okay, so I will go to the final slides. So regarding the student life, I think you have heard of the electronic club and the EMBS of Department of Electronic and Telecommunications. So EMBS is the student association of the biomedical people. So it is the IEEE student chapter for biomedical engineering. So I think we are organizing a lot of things from my EMBS. So first one is the brainstorm. So it is a biomedical engineering competition which like, uh, happen yeah, which happen for now it has happened for 5 times. And also we have the annual general meeting and also the healthcare ideator medics. And also we are doing some basic electronics workshop for Faculty of Medicine, University of Colombo as well. I was able to take part in that workshops as well. So, and these are some of the competitions and awards of our biomedical people. So I will go through these quickly. Yeah, and about the leadership roles, there are people who do ISEC, who do Rotaract, Gavel. So the Gavel president of the 2023-24 Women's I was also in biomedical, and also regarding sports, the colors awards and all the things. And yeah, regarding other leadership. Yeah, the president of the E-Club and the secretary of the E-Club in the last year was also from biomedical. And me and my colleague Tinal, we were also in that in the electronic club. So as a whole, like in our batch, as I think a lot of the leadership roles were uh, carried out by biomedical people. So and also, yeah, you can see the other committees also. Yeah, that is all about my presentation. So I think if you have any questions, I think you have a like slide containing those questions. I will answer that. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's
The
give
yes.
it a time. We will start with a few questions that came in earlier. And while we go through them, you can raise your hand or drop few questions in the chat.
Okay, thank you, Mali. So, yes, මට chat එකෙනුත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් ආවා. So I received one question from chat also. I will answer to those questions as well. So, what kind of job opportunities available for BM engineers with company names? I think I have told that. You can see the slides if you want. I will give the slides. So, next one. There are a lot of biomaterial that we need to have in memory compared to alien biology. Not much of fan of Giro them. Website has listed this field as the least percentage of risk of getting. Yeah, I saw this question. So yeah, the biology related materials, as I told you, in the third semester and fourth semester we have that biological system, that module. So in that module you have to learn biological related stuff about the body, about the heart, lungs, or those things you have to learn. Only in that module you have to do some Giravadami. Okay, no? So you have to memorize all the words and those things in the third semester and fourth semester. That's all. Other than that, you don't have any modules to like memorize everything. So in the modeling, I showed you that modeling module, biomedical modeling. So in that module also, you just have to draw the circuits and you have to build the equations, and that is also mathematical part. You have compared to ENTC, I think the mathematical part is very good in the biomedical. So if you are like interested for mathematical things, that is also that will be a plus point when you are doing biomedical. And also, yeah, the uh, in this field has the least percentage of risk getting replaced by AI. Yeah, that is true because in our final year project also, we did a project with the help of a doctor at Lady Ridgeway Hospital, Dr. Duminder. He's a consultant in cardiology. So when we are trying to bring AI related stuff into our project, the doctors really don't like that because they don't trust AI still. So they don't trust AI. They don't like AI made decisions that much. So in biomedical, the possibility to let AI come into our medical field is very low. So therefore, you have to build your own things. Like you have to build your own circuits. You have to build your own firmware and all the things which can do that, which can give the doctors the best experience. So we just have to build more devices which helps the doctors to do their investigations on patients. So then the doctors will be very happy, and also the effect of AI will soon come for the biomedical field as well, but not for countries like Sri Lanka, I think, because mostly our doctors won't allow that because AI still could make mistakes because we are dealing with a human patient. If a small child dies because of this AI, that will be not acceptable. So, but regarding the medical imaging and those stuff, so AI is used for those things, for medical image processing those things. AI is used, but for medical instrumentation and stuff, I think uh, that would take a lot of years to replace the medical devices we build using AI. So I think yes. So the risk of getting replaced by AI is very less in biomedical field. Yeah. And also I saw majority of the final year projects are focused on ECG, EEG. What are the other factors one can be interested to have job in this particular engineering field? So yes, as I told, not only biosignal processing, you can do medical imaging, biomechanics, and bioinformatics, so prosthetic related stuff. So actually, I was hoping to do a final year project regarding the brain signals and also prosthetics. So, but actually, we didn't have like any suitable projects at that time. But that is also a very interesting field. But in Sri Lanka, for those fields, there are actually uh, not very much job opportunities. You have to apply abroad, surely. So I think a good suggestion is in Sri, if you are going to do biomedical, if you are an academic person, after doing the after like doing all the 4 years, you can directly apply for higher studies. If you are a good candidate, you will be like taken for masters or PhD. And if you are like a industrial person, a good thing is you can do you can do a job in Sri Lanka for some time, then you can do a master's in another country, then you can go for a job in that country. So you will get a lot of money when if you do like that, because you have a master's as well, so you can negotiate very well. Yeah, the next question. Yeah, can you tell me where you guys found? Yeah, I told about this. I think everyone got internships in Sri Lanka and abroad. Yeah, next one. What are universities preferable for postgraduate studies? So yeah, this question I saw. So mainly universities in Australia, University of Sydney, Melbourne, and Monash are very good universities. And in that list, I have mentioned some universities as well. And also there are no there are no restrictions. You can apply for any university in any country. So that is how you like. So you just have to go to the internet, go to Google and search the country you like. So if you like Canada, you search for the top ranked universities in Canada. Then you go to that university's website. Then you search for biomedical related lecturers or professors. Then you go one by one, searching in their profiles. If they are searching for students who are going to do if they need students in the biomedical field for MSc or PhD, they have put that in their profiles. Then you can send an email to that professor or the lecturer. So you can say, I am this and this. I have done this and this. I am looking for this and this. So you can tell everything you want and you can apply. So it will not come in the first application. You have to apply for several thousand times maybe. So that is how people are getting higher studies, not in this department, but every department that is the case. Yeah, the next question. Is it impossible to get a job for this stick? Not is not impossible. So you can that like when you are looking for jobs, if some biomedical companies are looking for people, if they are looking to hire biomedical engineering people, you can get a job. But unfortunately, if they are not currently in our batch, actually, I must tell the true story. So, uh, like there was one company I think looking for biomedical engineer at that time, but the others are not currently looking for biomedical engineers because of the the market situation and everything, job market situation and everything. So therefore, so I myself I wanted to do something regarded to embedded, so that's why I chose this one. And one of my colleagues, he also went to a job related to embedded, and all others are not applying for jobs; they are looking for higher studies. So that's the case. Yeah, it is not compulsory to go abroad. If you still want to stay in Sri Lanka and if you still want to do a job, you can surely find one. Yeah. How is the academics in the manner? Well, yeah, I think I have talked about all of them. No, the entrepreneurship one also I talked about. Yeah. Regarding the salaries, I will tell. So normally, like for even though you are a biomedical, you are ENTC, or I think for CS students as well. So I think those three are getting the higher salaries in the engineering faculty. So I am telling the truth. So normally the range is around 350,000. You will get the basic salary. It can be between 350,000 to 450,000. So for after the taxes and all the EPF, ETF and all cut off, you will get the base salary around 300,000. That is like the average salary. If you are going to if you are going to be in ENTC, if you are going to do biomedical or CS as well, as I know, that is the same case. So yeah. And do we have job opportunities in Sri Lanka? Do we have to visit foreign countries? Yeah, I have told about the companies and job opportunities. Yeah, we can move on. Yeah, for all the 15 people also, there will be space for internships. But for jobs, there are no, like, there will be no space for all the 15 people. For the internships, like, let's say in your area, you won't be able to find internships abroad, in Australia or somewhere. But all your 15 people can go to Sri Lankan biomedical related internships. That is because they are hiring interns to do the work. But for permanent jobs, I don't think all the 15 will have, because like surely some people will apply for higher studies and the rest will go to the jobs in Sri Lanka. Yeah. Workload is not like it is same as other uh, people like ENDC and BME all have the same workload. Salary I have told, and the job opportunities I have told. Yeah, next one. Yeah, how about the salary? Salary, I think I have told. You will get around, I think, 350,000 to 400,000. After the taxes and all the things are cut off, you will have around 300,000 as your basic salary. So that is the case for, I think, the people who get most the salary in our faculty. And I think one question in the chat as well. So the regarding the salary, I have uh, told the things with regards to most biomedical engineering bachelor's degrees. They are saying that biomedical engineering is only good if you are planning to do higher studies. But if you are only doing a bachelor's, they say that it is better to do mechanical or electrical base. They have core engineering concepts. It is the same for with not having core engineering. Yeah, the core engineering principles are like all are covered in this module course. So I think you don't need to worry about the course content if you are like going to select biomedical. The course content is very good. If you are like passionate about biomedical, you can learn the things you need to learn after bachelor's. So everything will be given from our course materials. So I think you don't have to worry about that. Like uh, biomedical engineering is only good if you are planning to do higher studies. That is not true, because like if you do a master's in another country, and if you do a biomedical related job, you will be given like a larger salary. I expect to like comparing to what you get in Sri Lanka, it will be 10 times or 15 times larger than Sri Lanka. Can you go abroad after you graduated for a job? Can you go abroad after you graduate for a job without job experience? Yeah, that is a problem with all faculties, with every engineering courses. If you look into job, uh, like if you look into job opportunities overseas, every company is expecting, so they are always expecting the bachelor's degree. So other than that, they are expecting 1 year, 2 year experience, 1 year or 2 year experience, or they are expecting a master's. So therefore, you cannot. So as I know, I think one of our seniors went to a job because he was a very bright case and he had all these projects with him. So he was taken to that company directly. So he didn't have to do any masters or anything and no job experience also. He was hired directly. But the real case is you can't do like that. You have to have some job experience or you have to do a master or something to go to a overseas job. So they are expecting that because they have to pay for us. So they have to pay for everything for us. So they will need something they can rely on. So they don't only expect the bachelors. So that is the case for not only for biomedical, as you know, for CES, CNTC, everyone is like that. So yeah, that is the thing. That is a good question. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all it for the questions. Yeah, and I wish everyone the best of luck for their future studies, and hope you will select your the best pathway for you, considering these things. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Malijalat, for that enlightening session on biomedical engineering. Your passion for innovation in healthcare and your drive to create practical solutions for real world challenges have truly inspired us. Now, to close off today's program, we move into a field that has been at the heart of engineering since its earliest days. A discipline that deals with machines, motion, energy, and everything in between, mechanical engineering. To give us a deeper understanding of this dynamic field,